Welcome to my coffee channel. I am Thomas, and I am going to be reviewing a coffee from Cuvee Coffee Roasters in Austin, Texas. It is a Nicaragua coffee, medium roast. It does have a roast on date, even has a roast right Argotron number of 72, so we'll see how that matches up. This is a somewhere between a second wave and a third wave coffee. I wish I had a great story to tell you why I chose this coffee, but other than I live in Austin and it was convenient. So we're going to see how surprised we are and how good it is. So anyway, let's do a roast right roast analysis on it first. And then we'll cup up some and pull some shots and cold brew, and we'll see if it's a good buy or not. This cost me about $15, so it's a pretty average price. Okay, let's see what kind of roast we have on here. Okay, we have a 60, and that is for the outside skin color of the Nicaragua coffee. Okay, let's brew up some coffee. Got 25 grams. Good grind. Sort of very sweet, like something like a sugar cane. I'm trying to get sort of like a licorice. Yeah, it's licorice. Smell was really nice though. Let's just brew up some and see what we got. Okay, got my water heated up, 203 bottled water. And it's got a very nice bloom to it, so we know it's nice and fresh. It's degassing really nice. This bag was dated about 8 days ago, being roasted, so we're right in the prime of it. Let that drip for a couple minutes. Okay, it's been dripping for a couple minutes now. Let's give it a try. Very nice dark color. Sort of a nutty chocolate undertone, sort of like almonds. Oh, medium aroma, not overly strong, but it's got a nice aroma. Not real heavy, but a medium bodied coffee. Feels nice on my tongue. Nice, long lasting aftertaste. A nice balanced acidity. It's not very sharp, but it has a nice clean taste to it. This is a nice coffee. I don't know if it's a superstar coffee, but it's a nice coffee. So anyway, I'll be back shortly. I've been drinking this Cuvee coffee for the last 2 days, brewing it, pulling shots, made a few cappuccinos, cold brewing it, and I wasn't expecting much, but I was actually quite impressed with this coffee. It makes a very nice, clean cup, balanced acidity. Like I said, it's a washed coffee, so it didn't have a lot of fruity notes. Didn't have a lot of sweetness. It had a nice sweetness to it. Notes of sweet cocoa, almond, sugar cane. Made a very nice crema on the espresso. Made a really nice shot. Nothing super incredible, but it was a nice shot. Made a nice cappuccino. It was like good. I could do more of this. But I think what impressed me the most was the cold brew. Made a very nice cold brew. Had some really sort of nice, fruity sort of notes to it in the cold brew. Great with milk. Anyway, just to get down to it, aroma, about the middle of the road, body. It was not a lot of body, not light body, but you're right in the middle of the road. Had a nice aftertaste to it, balanced acidity. About the middle range on sweetness. Had no bitterness. Drinkability, I gave it 17. Anyway, my overall score on this coffee was 85, which is good. I think I paid $15 for it. Pretty average. It was a good coffee. If you just want a really nice sipping, drinking coffee, this was very good. Anyway, next week I am going to start a series. I'm calling it the world's best espresso. Actually, I'm looking for the world's best espresso. And I'm going to be doing a few espresso reviews, and hopefully by the end of the year we can come up with something we can call world's best. We'll see. There's a lot of good espressos out there anyway, and we're going to start tasting them. So anyway, I'll see you next week. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do so. Hit the like button above. I appreciate it. It all helps so other people can find the channel. And anyway, if you have any recommendations for espresso, make sure you leave them in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching my channel. Have a good day.